Welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Driving, almetaldriving.com. At a house, haven't been here. Another one. This is another one, man. I haven't been here in at least 10 years, if not more than that. Says she feels like it's leaking. She had the HVAC guys out. They were underneath the house. Said it looks horrible. So we're going to check that out. But first, we're going to check this airflow. Watch this, guys. All right. And yes, the dryer is running. Well, look, it's not even opening the door. Holy cow, guys. Either way, I'm changing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And the dryer's running. Oh, man. Look at that. All right, now that we can... It's 118.1. I don't know if y'all can see that. If I hold this out here in the regular wind, can y'all see that? We're like 11. Well, whatever. You get my point, guys. I'm gonna try to spin this camera through it and see what we see. All right, I'm gonna try. This thing makes some bends and everything, but I'm gonna see. Here we go. Holy cow. Holy cow. There we go. Now we got airflow. Look at that. If you guys notice, I did change out the damper to a metal one. That's gonna do it, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Join me next time, will you?